Hello, everyone, and welcome to Law Chakra. We know that these days the Supreme Court of India is considering a petition seeking contempt action against authorities in the state of Maharashtra over their alleged failure to act against hate speeches during rallies. 29 मार्च को इस मैटर की हेयरिंग के दौरान जस्टिसेस के एम जोसेफ एंड बीवी नागरत्ना हैज रिपीटेड its concern over failure of authorities to take prompt action against instances of hate speech. The court even allowed the intervention application of the Sakal Hindu Samaj, highlighting certain other instances of hate speech. हेयरिंग के दौरान कोर्ट ने कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशंस और स्टेटमेंट पास किए जिस पे नाउ द पब्लिक इज एक्सप्रेसिंग देयर व्यूज. After the hearing, we are seeing mixed views of the public on the statements by the court. Justice K.M. Joseph made the statement that state is impotent, state is powerless, it does not act in time. Why do we have a state at all if it is remaining silent? लेकिन Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who is representing the centre in this matter, soon responded that the centre is not silent, and in fact, states like Kerala were silent when the calls for the genocide of Hindus and Christians were made in a PFI rally during May 2022. तुषार मेहता ने पॉइंट आउट करते हुए कहा कि पिटिशनर ने सेलेक्टिवली कंट्री की हेट स्पीचेस को पॉइंट आउट किया है, लेकिन केरला में हुई हेट स्पीचेस पे वो साइलेंट है. He cited a spokesperson of DMK said, whatever Periyar said should have been done. If you want equality, you must butcher all Brahmins. लेकिन जस्टिस के एम जोसेफ ये सुन के हंस पड़े. इस बात से डिसअपॉइंट होते हुए मेहता अगेन आर्ग्यूड दैट इट्स नॉट अ लाफिंग मैटर. आई वुडेंट लाफ इट अवे. दिस मैन डज नॉट फेस FIR. Not only that, he continues to be the spokesperson of a recognized political party. इस पे जस्टिस जोसेफ ने उनसे पूछा क्या वो जानते हैं पेरियार कौन था. टू विच तुषार मेहता रिप्लाइड दैट ही न्यू हु पेरियार वॉज एंड दैट hate speech cannot be justified just because someone great said it. To prove his arguments, Tushar Mehta ने कोर्ट से परमिशन मांगी to play a clip of People Front of India rally where a child was sloganeering for the genocide of Hindus and Christian. लेकिन जस्टिस जोसेफ ने उनकी इस परमिशन को अलाउड नहीं किया और कहा that they know the developments. Hearing the judge's statement, Mehta again said to the court that if your lordships know that, then your lordship should have taken suo motu cognizance of this along with it. Why are we shying away from seeing it? इसके जवाब में जस्टिस जोसेफ said that the major problem is when politicians make use of religion for power. तो तुषार मेहता ने कोर्ट से कहा कि केरला की इस क्लिप का पॉलिटिक्स से कोई लेना नहीं है, but was pure and simple religious hate speech. But the judge objected him and replied, it has everything to do with politics. Hate is a vicious circle. The state will have to initiate action, and the moment politics and religion are segregated, all this will stop. We are telling you whether you take it seriously or not. In this intense hearing session, the Solicitor General was clearly not happy with the bench observations. During the hearing, जस्टिस बीबी नागरत्ना ने भी इसमें अपना एंग्विश एक्सप्रेस करते हुए कहा दैट द फ्रिंज एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स आर इंडल्जिंग इन हेट स्पीच एंड वेयर आर वी गोइंग इज द क्वेश्चन. देयर वर ऑरेटर्स लाइक जवाहरलाल नेहरू, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी. People from other states miles away would assemble to hear their speeches. Look at the freedom at midnight speech, Vajpayee's speech with couplets. People from rural areas used to come and hear their speeches. Unfortunately, people who have no stuff, fringe elements on every side, are making these speeches. Where are you taking India is the question. She added, how many contempt after contempt we take against these people? Should there be no kind of restraint in speeches of people in India? We want to be number one in the world, and this is what internally is in our society. If there is intellectual depravement, you can never take this country to number one in the world. Intellectual deprivation comes only when there is intolerance, lack of education, and lack of knowledge, where we should concentrate first. How can the Supreme Court spend time like this on one application? You are going to bring one contempt after the other. That is why yesterday I said, don't start from the apex court. She even stressed, why cannot the citizens of this country take a pledge to not vilify others, and what kind of pleasures we are driving by making these speeches? Not only this, she asked, why can't the state governments come up with a mechanism to deal with instances of hate speech? The bench also noted that they are saying things which are denigrating and demolishing the dignity of others on a regular basis by statement like go to Pakistan. The bench inquired the council, do you have the right to break the law of land? If you break the rule of law of land, it will befall on your head like a tumble of bricks. एडवोकेट निज़म पाशा जो कि पिटिशनर की तरफ से अपेयर हो रहे हैं submitted that 50 rallies were held in Maharashtra in last 4 months where hate speeches have been made. The top court issued notice to the Maharashtra government and scheduled the matter for further hearing on April 28th. That is all for this video. Keep following Law Chakra for more legal updates and news. Thank you.